Hello and welcome back to this new puzzle. Do you think that the crypto market is ready to rebound? Let's look at Bitcoin and let's collect some data and what can happen in the coming days. So from the weekly chart we can see that price is in correction since June 2002. So here we are in June and here is the end where we are in October. So only here we are in the period of time that is approximately 4 months here, as we can see. So the market is in correction for a very long period of time. But what is actually happening here? If we are going to look at the lower part of the structure, price is completely stopped close to this lower support area, and as we can see 18,300 and 500 fits very well here at this point. So all of these weeks of the candles are showing that we are having a very strong support zone from the lower side. But what do we have on the upper side of the movement? And if Bitcoin is ready to rebound? If we are going to look at here at this point, we can see that price was blocked in a very small area, very narrow area for many weeks. So it comes since the mid of September until now, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 weeks where the price was blocked in this consolidation. On the other hand, if we are going to take this line right now, we can see that price actually broke out from this consolidation on a weekly candle, and the bullish pressure is showing that the price may rise higher after this moment. However, we are just collecting data, so we have to see how the price can develop more. So let's break it down even more right now. It doesn't mean anything at all, only because the price is here. We have to wait for 2 more days in order to see if we are gonna have this candle close above 20,400. So this is our point. Just one moment. And if price is going to close above 20,450, the chances will be higher that we can see the price to rise up from this moment. However, we have to be patient because the price will take its time to develop everything. Let's go on the daily time frame. And what we can see at this point is that price already broke out from this structure. So this was the top of the candles on the weekly chart, and here we are having this massive consolidation. So the price is consolidating at this point for 3 days now, and the chances are that this consolidation is creating the next bullish move. But where can the price find the next resistance? As you can see, the higher structure zone here is found at the top of the structure, and price can find the first resistance zone close to 22,300 and up to the top 23,000. So this is going to be our first area. The reason for this is simple, because price didn't stop when it was at the top, it didn't stop when the price came down at this point, when it came lower, and that is why I'm expecting for the price to stop only at 22 at this zone, because 22 and 23 are also strong psychological areas as well. So this is going to be very interesting at this moment, and I really like how the price is developing. The first part where the price will face resistance will be close to 22,500, let's say, and the next one that will be also the most important part will be the top of the bigger structure. Let's focus on the upper part and on the upper part of the structure, we can see that we have candles, long candles here. Look at these long candles. These are showing that the resistance is getting stronger on the upper part of the structure, and we have a strong zone that begins close to 24,200 and up to the top 25,000. So this is going to be the next area. However, the strongest one will be close to this point, so it comes close to 24,400. So once the price will manage to break through 22,000, 23,000, the next area will be the top of the structure. In this way also the structure itself will be completed in a better way, and we can see this ABC movement to be completed. In my opinion, considering that price actually closed above this zone, we have 3 consecutive days where the price is here. On the other hand, it was the breakout from the weekly part, so all of this area here should help the price to rise more in the coming week, I guess. So this is my overall perspective that I'm looking at on Bitcoin, because as we know, this is also the market index for the crypto market. So probability is very high, and my maximum expectation is up to 24,000 and 25,000. We need to be realistic on our expectations, so we cannot expect that once the price will begin the movement at this point, it should keep moving higher. However, the market can do also that movement, but we don't have to anticipate that movement right now. It's too early to say that. So just one step at a time, and we will see. I will make a brief presentation on the benefits of the WhiteBIT crypto exchange. WhiteBIT is one of the largest European cryptocurrency exchanges. What is really surprising about this broker is that they possess European exchange and custody licenses. WhiteBIT meets the KYC and AML requirements. That means that you will have reliable protection of assets and their securities. You can also make passive income from your money even if you don't intend to invest in certain time periods. Earn up to 30% of passive income on Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT. These interest rates are impressive compared to other brokers. They have also low trade rates up to 0.1%. You can trade more than 450 trading pairs, and their referral program offers 40% revenue from referral trading commissions. If you want protected funds and earn more passive income, you can open an account via the referral link in the comment section below. As you can see from the chart, this is in a different perspective, Ethereum. Look at how beautiful the price is actually creating this type of pattern. It is looking very interesting. During the previous analysis that I have explained, price was creating a very clear movement. The first one was a 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5th wave, impulsive wave, and here we have a very clear A, B and C pattern here. So once the price broke out from this bullish flag, this is showing in a clear way that the accumulation within this zone when the price was moving down, all of this is showing that the bullish volume is increased a lot at this moment. We can see the price to stay at this zone, or probably we can see also any other pattern that Ethereum can develop. However, the next movement should continue with the bullish move from this point. Ethereum, in my opinion, has a more clear picture than Bitcoin, considering the price development, and minimum expectation according to Elliott wave theory, we can have an ABC movement, considering that the first wave was a 5-wave development. So I really like this type of developments here. Let's keep our targets conservative for the time being. I would like to target the top of the left structure that we have here for the moment, and the next one will be this part of the previous resistance, so close to 2000. It will be a very good target. So what is important right now is that we need to see how Ethereum will develop at this point for the next move. The next one that we are going to look at is WhiteBIT token. I have shared this in this way because WhiteBIT token is developing in a perfect way. As you may have seen, I have shared this analysis since when WhiteBIT token was close to this point here, 3.8, and price is just moving higher. However, is a simple reason for all these movements. At the beginning, on the first box that I had here, WhiteBIT was launched from WhiteBIT broker. So this was the first volume, and also the token needs time for trading in order to accumulate bullish volume before the price will begin the next movement. During this bounce here, as we can see, at this moment of time, WhiteBIT token was launched on Huobi global platform, and here we had this second bounce. But on the second bounce, where volume was increased too much, the price increased by approximately 260%. And during the previous week, we saw the price to bounce up again. All of this previous box was related to the previous one, and here we had the last one here. At this moment of time for WhiteBIT token, the volume was increased too much at this moment because it was launched also on Gate.io platform, broker exchange, and here we have the price to rise more. So according to my expectations right now, I am expecting WhiteBIT token to rise a lot more. We can't rule out the possibility for any possible correction right now because the price cannot move only up all the time. This is close to my first prediction that I was actually expecting for WhiteBIT token. I'm going to share that with you. And here we have our first analysis. If we are gonna look at this analysis, I didn't change any price target at all, so the price was close to $4, as you can see. And here we have the price that reached all the targets. So we are close to the final target that I projected earlier. So my expectations right now are that probably we are close to a potential correction. Let's see how the price will develop. Exists also a high probability that we are close to a third wave completion, but probably also to the development of the fifth wave. So we can be in a type of a rising wedge pattern here, and this rising wedge pattern can begin a small correction. Considering that the volume is getting higher and higher from these exchanges right now, and also we had the first impulsive movement, my minimum expectation also for this is that price should rise higher from where it is now, because the number of the tokens in circulation will not change at all. So the volume will make the difference. I am looking at for the price to take a pause, and after that we should see for the next bounce again. According to Elliott wave theory, we can have a 5-wave movement, a 3-wave movement, and another 5-wave movement. So this is the next bullish movement that I want to focus for WhiteBIT token. It will be a very, very good trade in my opinion. So hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future content. Bye bye.